Guys, if you also feel too lazy to create videos, but still want to grow your YouTube channel, then I have some good news for you. Because NotebookLM has now been upgraded, and it is about to take the world of AI automation to the next level. I mean, from writing the script to generating the video, AI can do almost everything for you. And the most exciting part is that it is completely free. That means you don't need to spend even a single penny. Literally, with AI automation, you can create almost any type of video you want. Whether it's an AI motivational video, an AI documentary, or even a short story video, you can create all of them very easily. This automation is so powerful that you can create high quality videos with it. First, take a look at this sample video that I created using AI automation.
The darkness of night was all around. The year was 1923. Inside a luxurious hotel in Egypt, a wealthy Englishman was burning with a dangerously high fever. At exactly 1:55 a.m., his breathing suddenly stopped. And at that very moment, the lights across the entire city of Cairo went out. A terrifying silence spread everywhere. Thousands of miles away in England, the man's pet dog suddenly began howling in a strange and terrifying way. And then it died. This is not a story. This was the beginning of one of the most famous and terrifying curses in history, the curse of Tutankhamun.
So, now let's learn how to create this type of video. The first step is scripting. For this, we are going to use NotebookLM, which can create a real and powerful script based on reliable sources. So, first, we will open Google Chrome and search for NotebookLM. Then, we will open its website and click on Try Notebook. Now, click on Create New Notebook. A new page will open on your screen. After that, click on this option. Now comes the most important step for creating a powerful script, adding sources. So, we will go to YouTube and search for our topic. My topic is the Curse of Tutankhamun. Now, we will find videos on this topic that have received millions of views and copy their links. I am going to copy around 5 links from videos that have millions of views. Now, we will paste all these links here and click on Insert. As you can see, NotebookLM will analyze all these links and provide us with a summary. But one important step is still remaining. We need to save this information so that we can fully use these sources while creating our script. For that, click on the 3 dots and then click on Convert to Source. This will save the information inside our sources. Now, for the actual scripting process, we will copy the complete scripting prompt. I have provided the link to this prompt in the description. After that, we will come back to NotebookLM and paste the prompt. Now, in the place of video topic, we will enter the topic we have selected. Then, in the mention duration section, enter the length of the video you want to create. After that, click on the arrow button. And as you can see, NotebookLM has provided us with such an interesting and engaging script. Now, we will copy this script and open Notepad on our device and paste it there. And that's it. The complete scripting process is now finished. Now, let's move on to the second step, which is image generation. For this, we will go to the prompt PDF and copy the complete image to video prompt. Then, we will come to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the text box. As you can see, it says enter script here. Here, we will copy our story from Notepad and paste it into this section. Then, click on the arrow button and send it. Now, ChatGPT will ask us for the first part of the story. So, we will copy the first 5 lines of our story and paste them here. After sending it, ChatGPT will provide us with special prompts for every single line. Now, we only need to copy the prompt for the first scene. Then, we will open Google Chrome and search for Whisk AI. This website allows us to generate images for free. Now, we will open the website and paste the prompt provided by ChatGPT. We will select the 16:9 aspect ratio, lock the settings, and click on Generate. And as you can see, Whisk AI has generated 2 amazing images for us. We can simply click on the image and download it. Now, for the second image, we will go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into the text box, and send it. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the prompt for our second image as well. We can download this image too. In the same way, we can generate images for every scene of our story, one by one. So, now we have learned 2 of the most important steps in creating this type of story video. But now, let's learn how to turn these images into videos. For this, we are going to use one of the best AI video generation websites, and it is completely free. So, once again, we will open Google Chrome and search for Meta AI. Then, open the official website. Now, you need to log in. I have already logged in using my Instagram account. You can also log in using your Instagram or Facebook account. After logging in, click on the Create button. Now, instead of image, select video. Then, click on the plus icon and select your first image. After that, come back to ChatGPT. below the image prompt, ChatGPT has also provided a video generation prompt. We will simply copy that prompt. Then, come back to Meta AI, paste the prompt into the text box, and click on Animate. After a short while, Meta AI will generate the video for us. And as you can see, it has generated a very clear and impressive video. We can simply click on the Save button, and the video will be saved to our gallery. In the same way, you need to convert all your images into videos. And if you face any problems while generating videos with Meta AI, you can also use Flow AI. I have used it in some of my videos as well. Now let's move on to the fourth step, voice generation. For this, we are going to use 11 Labs. So, once again, open Google Chrome and search for 11 Labs. Then, open the website and sign up using any Gmail account. After logging in, you will see the 11 Labs dashboard. Now, go to Instant Speech. Then, copy your story from Notepad and paste it here. After that, you need to select a voice. For this video, I am going to use a heavy and calm voice called Neil. Simply click on Neil's voice, and as you can see, the voice is now being generated. Once it is ready, click on the download button and save the audio. And that's it. Our voice generation process is also complete. Now guys, do you know what the most important step is for creating a perfect video? Editing. The better your editing is, the better your video can perform. So now, let's learn how to edit this video using CapCut. First, I will turn on my VPN using Proton VPN. Then, I will open CapCut and click on New Project. Now, I will add all the video clips that we generated earlier. After that, click on HD. Then, go to Audio, click on Sounds, and add the voiceover that we generated using 11 Labs. Now, you don't need to do too much. You simply need to match the video clips with the voiceover. After that, add transitions between the video clips. I am using the black fade transition here, and I will click on Apply to All. Now, you can edit the video properly according to your requirements. After completing the editing, set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 60 FPS. Then, click on Export and save the video to your gallery. And now, here is the final result. As you can see, creating this type of AI story video is actually very simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing AI tutorials.